What is up? It's Jordan from Buy 9 to 5, and I'm super freaking excited about this video because I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind that most people don't know anything about. So I'm going to show you how you can make up to $200 per video by copying and reposting videos legally on a platform that is not YouTube. Which means that, first of all, you get monetized instantly. You don't have to worry about going through a review or anything like that. And there's less competition. So that means it's easier to get ranked and get your videos found and make money. So if that sounds good to you, you're going to want to stay tuned for this whole video because this is something that I discovered that literally almost nobody knows. So rather than waste your time, we're going to get straight freaking into it. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to make the most money possible from this method. So first thing you want to do is go to YouTube and type in some sort of keyword for a niche. So for this example, we're going to use dog training. So why training? First of all, because the best way to make money on videos is education plus entertainment. So entertainment makes a good amount of money, but entertainment plus education makes a lot because how-to videos, people are always searching how to do this, how to do that, all those sort of things. So I'll go ahead and type in dog training here, and then we will filter by Creative Commons. So what the heck is Creative Commons? If you don't know, it gives a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. So that's what it is. And so by marking your original video with Creative Commons, you're granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. So you have the right to reuse this entire video in its full form. So we're going to go ahead right here. We're going to just choose this one, teach any dog to walk nicely on the leash, 5-minute training results. So what we're going to do is scroll down here, license Creative Commons attribution reuse allowed. So we're allowed to reuse this entire video. So what I'm going to do is just go up here, right click and click copy. Okay. And so the next thing that I'm going to do is go to Google. Okay. And I am going to go to yt5s.com right there. And I'm just going to paste that right in there. So now we go 1080p, click get link, and then very quickly it says download. We just click that right there, and then it will download right there. Okay, so now we have this video downloaded. Now what we're going to do is go to this site called rumble.com. So what's rumble.com? It's basically a competitor to YouTube. So it allows you to post videos and make money, and you don't have to get monetized or anything like that. So as you can see, one of the really cool things about it is that it shows you exactly how much money every video is making. So if you look right here, you'll see like this video, dog has a loud reaction when his couch privileges are denied. $1,300 on this 1 minute and 38-second video. This 25-second video made $115. Okay, this 37-second video made $200. So that's pretty cool, right? You can see exactly how much money they're making. Well, we want to get in on this too. We want to make money too, right? Not only do we want to do that, but we want to actually do other things on top of it that will help us make way more money than this. And there's other ways on Rumble where you can make way more money as well, which I'm going to show you. So, as you can see on Uber Suggest from Neil Patel, Rumble gets a lot of traffic. So the best thing about posting on here is that it's not YouTube, right? So there's less videos, which means there's less competition, means it's easier for you to get ranked and make money, right? And then on top of that, it gets a lot of traffic, so you can still get a lot of views and make a lot of money. Like this video's got 40 million views on it, right? So if you can see, this platform just recently started, and look how it's blowing up already. It's blowing up big time already. So if we look at Traffic Checker right now, they're getting a ton of freaking traffic, right? So we want to get in on this and make a ton of money. So I'm going to show you step by step right now how you upload the video and make the most possible money as you can from Rumble. But before that, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to one of our friends and sponsors from this channel, and so that is called bestchange.com. There's the link, bestchange.com, and I'll put the link in the description, because if you're into e-currency, like I have been recently, you're going to want to take a look at this site right here. There's no reason why you shouldn't be using it. What it does is it monitors exchange rates in several hundred of reliable exchangers and equips you with all the information you need to select the best exchanger to transfer your money. So, for instance, if you want to give Bitcoin, you want to get back Litecoin, you can see exactly what the exchange rates are. So it's extremely helpful. It allows you to basically be able to save money and be able to make the best possible choices with your e-currency. So I love using this site, and if you literally are into e-currency, there's no reason why you should not be using bestchange.com. So definitely take a look at them. Link is down in the description. One of our good friends and sponsors. So Now I'm going to show you, if we go to Rumble, first of all, you just go up here and create your account. It takes literally 5 seconds to create your account. Then what you just want to do is drag your video. All you do is go up to right here, click upload video, and then you literally upload the video. And then you can literally choose your own thumbnail or whatever you want to do there. And so what I did is just take the same title and changed it just a little tiny bit. So I changed it to teach any dog how to walk nicely on the leash, 5-minute dog training. Okay, if you want to learn how to teach your dog to walk nicely on a leash, this video will help you teach this to any dog. Then I put dog training as the key word. So that's literally all you have to do, and in literally about, I don't know, 2 minutes, we literally have a shot to make some money on Rumble. So now we want to make even more money on Rumble, don't we? So of course we do. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to ClickBank. So what this is, it allows you to basically get affiliate links that you can use. So there's all sorts of categories, as you can see right here. E-business, blah, 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 education, tons of different things you can do. So we're going to go ahead and type in dogs and see what comes up, because you want to match your offer with the niche of the video that's being watched, of course, right? So if we go to dogs right here and we sort by gravity, we can see what sort of things. So best training for dogs right here. So you click promote, and then you generate hop link, and then right here is literally your link. So you copy this, and now if you post this to your description, right, you're going to be able to then make $31 on average every time somebody buys this product. So if you're like that one guy on Rumble who got 40 million views, guess how many of those people are probably going to buy this product? Probably a good amount, because they're already searching how to teach their dog training tips, right? So if they're already trying to teach their dog or train their dog, and they're seeking out that information, they're probably going to want to buy this if it's not that expensive, right? So now what we want to do is just go back into here, and the link's not very good looking. So if you go to bit.ly.com, you can go ahead and shorten your link. So we'll shorten that really quickly. Right, and then there it is right there. So we'll copy that, and then we'll go back to Rumble and say, my favorite way to train dogs quickly and easily. Boom. And so now we got an affiliate link. So say we get 40 million views, right? We can make a couple $1,000 perhaps, with this video. And then on top of that, how many of those percentages might buy that product because they want to learn how to train their dogs quickly and easily. And it's literally that simple. And the coolest thing about Rumble, again, is you can see exactly how much money all these videos are making, which is really nice. And there's just way less competition. So obviously, if there's less competition, you're going to have more of a chance to make money. So a really simple thing that you can do that I think will be really, really helpful for you.